Alright guys, so I'm sorry about the resolution of this, but it's going to be 720p. So what happened was, I reinstalled Streamlabs and didn't double check what resolution it was recording at. So not only is it 720, but it's also my ultra wide scrunched down into 720. So I'm sorry that it's not 1440p like normal, but I hope you guys forgive me, and I will have that fixed for next time. But I hope you guys enjoyed us battling Yagluth.
I've already died once to Yagluth.
You get your stuff yet?
Yeah, I got my stuff back.
I'm trying to figure out what else I should bring. Some stamina potions. If we have any. Oh, fire resistant.
Yeah,
oh, we got some.
Made a bunch of those.
Alright, cool. Don't need stone, but I guess I'm bringing it anyways. Charge.
I don't know if I took my fire resistance, but I can when I'm here. Yeah, there we go. Whoa, his health is down somehow.
What? That is great. Awesome. Alright,
He must have fought something else.
Maybe that Lox finally actually did something. Instead of being a lazy son of a biatch. Oops. Forgot how to roll.
Think that's fireballs? I'm not sure.
It's attacking the big freaking stone thing.
That's fine. Oh, I need to get my stamina back. Oh, I missed. Do a laser. Yeah, get him, get him, get him. I should be firing. Nope, those are at you. Now he's doing a blue attack, which I was far away from, so I didn't get hit from.
More fireballs.
Yep, they're at you though. Laser on me. Oh, I'm missing my fucking hits. Okay, I'm running.
They're coming to you.
Fireballs. Laser. No,
oh.
He's just screaming for no reason because he's a bitch.
Oh, not a stamina, I can't even attack.
Blue. I think they made the blue attack wider range. Fireballs. Oh, that was on me. My bad. Oopsies.
Screaming. Oh, laser. I'm right behind him.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't have stamina. Dang it.
Blue.
I got one.
16 seconds till I can use my next stamina.
Oh, barely. I just didn't get it out of the way in time.
That and the laser.
Oh, Desquito.
Oh, Desquito though.
Got him.
I got it.
Oh, you did?
Oh, we both got it. I don't know who did. Somebody did. You have until he's at the end of his fucking scream, basically.
Right up his ass. Oh, I have no more stamina.
Blue. Watch
20.
your food. If you can ever eat something, it helps your health. Because I'm going to kill him pretty soon.
No, you're not. I'm going to spawn in another one.
Yeah, right. Evidently, you can use him to block his own attack.
Oh, I don't have fire resistant anymore. That's why.
Yeah, you need to fucking use that. That is really important in this fight.
Ooh, he's lasering.
Literally all of his attacks are fucking blue. No.
Oh, laser.
Meters.
Yeah, meter. God damn it. My mouse not working.
Oh yeah, he's really low. Dude, why are you not attacking? That was weird. Okay, meteors. Damn. Okay. Use a laser on me. Now he's facing you though.
I gotta get out. I don't have stamina. Blue. Meteors.
I'm not even hitting him. Oh, those are going for you anyways. None of my hit. Oh, there's feelings.
Meteors.
Ouch. Ow. I have a gang of feelings on me.
Hang on, I'm coming.
Okay, they're all dead. I'm almost dead, but it's okay. I will survive.
Laser. No. Meteors coming from somewhere.
To me.
Oh, there goes the
fucking
base.
thing down.
It's raining down
Oh!
on him. I got that. I got that
Laser.
all recording. They don't pick up all this nonsense. Blue. Oh, it still got me? Really?
He's dead. Ready? Die! Yeah! We killed Yagluth! Yagluth thing.
It's a block. Well?
Give me that trophy. Oh my gosh, that was intense. He took out our portal and everything. It's a good thing we killed him.
Everything's gone.
Okay. Oh my goodness, that was intense. We did it though. Alright.
Here lies Yagluth, the biggest asshole in the game. Can we make him like a freaking
Fucking beat Yagluth, so I'm ready. I am ready for you guys to update and put more bosses in and new places to discover.
Yeah, I think they're doing the Mistlands next. So who knows what's gonna be in there.
Well, they still haven't done the Hearth and Home update yet, so
I can't remember if they're doing the Hearth of Home first. Like, what was the new roadmap? Can't freaking remember.
I can't either. So, all right, let's do it. Versus magic damage and lightning damage. Okay.
I wonder what the next boss is gonna be.
I guess that just makes it so that we can fight him easier. Resistant fire, resistant frost, resistant lightning, because he has fire damage. I'm assuming the next boss is going to be a frost giant, because if you go to the Mistlands right now, there's those giant skulls.
That area looks cool. Did we discover it on here? I think so. Kind of.
I think we have Mistlands, but I don't think we went to it. We have Ashlands portal.
Yeah, we do need to make a new Ashlands. Because we should make a base inside the Ashlands.
Yeah, before all the bad guys that they put in there. Because right now there's nothing. Alright, so we beat the game, basically. So we can put mods in now.
Yeah, I think we should find a good farming mod that makes farming easier.
Yeah,
like you can
I'm
place
not
down,
a huge fan of farming.
And it takes freaking forever just to plant all those crops. Like, I spent like 30 minutes just farming yesterday, and I wasn't even there for it to harvest. I went to bed. I was like, nope, I'll just wait. Alright, well, this is it for the next, I think this is episode 10. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'm not sure what we're going to do next time. Not sure if we're going to have mods installed or what, but hey, we'll figure that out later. Anyways, later guys.
Later.